Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing, well, No Limit Drag Racing 2.0. It is. No! Oh, okay. For a second there, I thought I actually bought those rims. I'm gonna go into upgrades, tires. I'm gonna go slick. Ouch. 10K. 105 gold. Yeah, okay, well, and what we'll do is we'll upgrade the blower. Another $6,000. Heck yeah, bud. Stage 3. Stage 3 blower. We'll go a quick race. Oh, no, I forgot to change something again. Shoot. Oh, I changed something because I just wanted to see what it is, what it's like. And it's the rolling burnout thing. I don't know if I really like that. I might change this digital gauges and stuff. That I'm not really a fan of too much yet either. So, but yeah. That dude's got a kind of a pretty nice car there. I don't like this bump thing. Shoot! No, I ain't even gonna finish that. Race. Cookie. So, I changed the name of my car now. First car, it was a Plymouth Barracuda. Oh, I need... Bruh. Okay, let's do this. That guy coming yet? Got a little swirly in there. Let me tell you. Okay, we won it. We won. So $2,000. So we got around 3K. I think we got 3. Oh yeah, we got 3. We'll do this one. Right now we're just trying to make money, and then we'll possibly do some more stuff to the car. I want to get some slicks for it. Well, I guess I'll meet you guys once I got more money. Maybe 20K. We'll see. Actually, it might be a little hard to get that, but yeah. Oh well. Guys, so you want to know an easy way to make money on this game? It's a little easier. Even if you lose, you're still making money. So what you gotta do about $1,000 to $2,000 and go on to multiplayer. Like, go on to multiplayer and then do a host. Like, host it, and then you can, even if you win, you get the $2,000 because they paid to join. And by the way, I did change my custom. Yeah. But this is probably one of the easiest ways to make money. Dude, I don't like this bump. Oh. It's pretty loud for you. Sorry about that, but this is the easiest way. So you see I lost? But look, he paid $2,000 and I win $2,000. Technically I lost, but I still win $2,000. It's actually pretty sweet. It's really good. See, like, just do all this stuff. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you want. Open race, any tire, whatever you want. You do all that. The Veil. $2,000. And when people join, they pay $2,000 to join. Don't do $5,000 because then you're just waiting for like literally for like 5 hours. I did that and I was waiting for like I don't know 5 minutes and I was like, no, I give up. This is too long. Nobody wants to pay $5,000. So like just wait for other people. Never mind. That does not really work. I think it only works if they leave that game right away. Cause I did that. Like my last one here, I lost, and I lost $2,000. Like I had $11,000, now I got 9K. Like come on, people, can you just like leave as soon as you win? Like literally just leave. Cause it's kind of like it's kind of annoying, if you ask me. I get that roll and burn. Okay. So, come on. Got a bumper up here. And listen to that rev. Okay, now we got a red liner. Bruh. Look at that. Like, it's almost no match. Guy, please leave. Please leave. Don't make me lose another $2,000. Don't make me lose another $2,000. No! You lost me losing. Made me. Do not take my word for this. It does not help you with money at all. No. Don't do it. Not unless you know you have a really good car. Bruh, I got... Dude. Oh. Shoot. Don't do it. I'm telling you now. Does not help. It does not help. Well, I should be able to win on this dude. I should be able to. Literally. Bro, we left at the same time. But I want to make this car look like a whole new, like an actual drag car this episode. What do we got left? 8 minutes. So we're at 8 minutes right now. Bump this up. Bruh, that was a horrible start. I don't know how that happened. But, yeah. We'll just live with it. Okay. So, $2,000. 15. Oh, it's 15 gold. Okay. That's nice. So, 110 gold. Can we get them slicks now? I'd like to get my slicks. 105. Yep. Let's go full width. Okay, maybe not full width. Somewhere's around there. And then height. Go right around there. Right there. There we go. We got slicks on her. Can't do any of that. You can just do this. Go make this tire. Right there. Rim size. Right around there. Hey, I can't make them make it smaller. Okay. Right around there. Okay. See how she does. Oh, actually, before I do that, I want to do this first. Now we should be able to win some more races. See what we can do in the tournament. I'd see. I really would. Sorry about if there's any wind noise here. Yeah. I could have got it a little bit more in the green there, but oh well. At least they're not cold. Bruh. That clutch right there. Oh! So much better. I'm gonna be able to win a whole lot more races. Because now I have a little bit more of a reaction time to when to shift. Oh, right. Oh, I was like, only $500? Like, dude, like, come on. But okay. Small block. I got a stage 3 bone, whatever. Big block. Is it a big block? I think it's a big block. But he's got a nice old car there. Gotta tell you, it's pretty nice. Go right here. Do that. No, dang. No. I left too early. No. I'm gonna have to just, from now on, just wait for the green. I'm going to have to. Oh, brother. Guys, so when you win the tournament, it's actually pretty nice. You get $6,000 plus every $500 you get off of winning every race. So that's 6 races. 500 times 6, I think. Yeah, 500 times 6. What is that? 500. 500. Okay, whatever. Somebody go comment that in the comment section there below. But we got 12,000 right now. Those tires be looking hideous. Let me tell ya, really looking hideous with them so wide. So we gotta do something here. Make it look like an actual drag car. Let's see here. We all got in here. So it's not bad. What else have we got in here? I think we'll go with that. Right there. And for this one, I think we'll go with that. That looks good. Right there. Right there. So that's $3,000 right there. Custom wrap. Nah, nothing in there. So what are you gonna do here? Make it like a red machine. Ooh. Yes, right there, right there. Make that right black. Straight black. Leave that. We'll leave that because, like, we're not doing anything with that. No, we did those. We're good with that. Interior, we'll leave it. Trying to save some money here. gonna leave that. $5,000. So what we'll do? I don't know what we're gonna. I don't know what we're gonna do in here. I think we'll just leave that for now. Okay, so she's looking good so far. Tuning, transmission, little suspension here. Clearance. Go there. Stiffness. Pretty high. Bump. What's a bump? Not enough money. Yeah. We'll do that. Clearance. Lift it up. Stiffness. In other words, I'm just trying to make this thing wheelie. Yeah, this is bump. Rebound. What does rebound do? Oh. Extension. Right there. It's looking more like a like a drag car. The front has to be down. There we go. There we go. Computer. Okay. Now, we go back into here. We do another tournament. Well, guys, I'm afraid that's all I can really do right now. But hope I can see you next time, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. My goal is to reach 100 by the end of this year. That's what my main goal is, but guess it's really all up to you guys. But so yep. Bye.